using Facebook groups to build your online business, you better know about these changes I'm about to share with you, because they will definitely impact your effort to build large and engaged community. Coming up. Welcome back to another video. Lenka Katlova, helping you hit your online breakthrough, coming to you in my 38th week. Definitely something that shows already so much, so bear with me. If you're focusing on Facebook and Facebook groups and you're using this tool, and I hope you are, to build your online business, you better know about the changes Facebook recently started to really work on, so your effort to really build large and engaged community is going the right way. First important thing is for you as an admin, because you are now responsible for everything in the group, even the content. So if the content is against the policies and it violates Facebook rules, you are the one responsible. So it's good if you have admin approval for your posts before someone actually puts content in your group, so you can manage what's inside there. Facebook also prioritize groups where there are only 2, maybe 3 admins that are serious, that are committed, and that are trusted, and it's small group of admins, not 10, 15, 20 of them. What also helps is put the Facebook rules for your group, and if you don't have any rules, you better create them seriously into the Facebook section where you can always go and send people to. If someone violates the rules, you can send the link to the section where you have the Facebook group rules to make sure that they follow what's supposed to be and not in your group. This way you can prevent that your group and even your Facebook profiles and pages won't get shut down because someone else has violated Facebook rules inside your group. So make sure you really take this one seriously and monitor what's happening, and don't let your publics, especially those ones, public Facebook groups, just run by themselves and let everyone else do whatever they want inside. Second thing you as an admin should take care of is really positive user experience. If you get negative feedback, and not only your group or posts get blocked, reported, but also if people send a lot of sad and maybe even angry faces, though icons underneath your content, that's also considered as a negative feedback to that positive user experience. So what I would recommend is really have that post approval turned on, and make sure that you ask questions and you really know what people inside your community want you to see, because that affects all of the admins and your organic reach for the group. If you are using, and I'm gonna link video how to best really optimize your Facebook group for the results that you are aiming for below this video. If you are using all the features that Facebook group offers and you are taking advantage of organic reach of your group so more people can find you and benefit from the content that you're providing, the negative feedback is something that would hurt that organic reach. So make sure that you focus on the positive user experience. Third thing is focus on meaningful interactions. What that means, Facebook actually suppresses the content regarding contests, giveaways, and even free downloads, free content that you offer to someone else. You have to be really creative how you are wording such an offer or such a post, such a piece of content, because Facebook will not show it to as many people. There will be less notifications for such content because this is not considered as a meaningful interaction that people can actually benefit from, and it's not building that engaged community that Facebook wants you to build. With that, don't tell people how to react to your content. Don't tell them to share the piece of content. Don't tell them to comment, not even to like, or if you have a poll, maybe to vote. Don't tell them exactly what to do, because that is considered engagement clickbait. And that's also something that Facebook will suppress, and it will hurt your organic reach of the content and the notifications for the Facebook content. It will affect the admins. You really want your content to be seen positively by Facebook. With negative feedback on the content from your audience, I want to mention one more thing, and that is when actually person leaves the group, what may happen, they have the option, they can take all of their content down, meaning everything they have ever posted inside the group, they can delete it, which is also considered as a negative feedback for your group. So really focus on who is inside. What I recommend is also have the questions set up. When person is joining your group, you have an option to set up 3 questions that will kind of pre-qualify the person if they are right kind of audience, if that's the target audience for the content that you're providing. So not also the content regulation in a way, but also you can pre-qualify the people that are inside your group. How those questions are set up, I'm gonna also put below this video so you can benefit from this feature. Next tip is regarding the direct selling, and I hope you know this one, but it has to be in this top 10 things you better take care of right now. No more than 10% of your content should be the direct selling. 10% max. Why? Because it's not meaningful interaction. It's not something that people can really interact with, and it's not providing any kind of value, entertainment, education, empowerment to their lives. If it's direct selling, maybe even curiosity posts, make sure that it's at least like 1 in 10 posts if possible. And again, get creative. What's important inside that group to have that engaged community, start conversations. That's the goal with each piece of content. That's what makes Facebook happy. You want to earn that conversation starter badge not only inside your Facebook group, but also when you are actually providing value in other groups in your niche. Make sure that next to your name is that conversation starter, because you will be supported by Facebook, because they know that you are creating the community they really want you to have. So have conversations back and forth inside Facebook groups. And one big change I just recently found out, Facebook Live is no longer favored by Facebook inside Facebook groups, which will not help your content to have better reach. So if you haven't been going live inside Facebook groups up to this point, you don't have to worry about it that much right now if you plan to start really to help your content have better reach. And if you are, you can continue to keep that community engaged if that helps. If you're not having way too much interactions on those Facebook Lives, maybe you can cut down the number of them you're doing, or change a little bit the format so people can actually engage better with the content that you are providing inside that broadcast. One thing I definitely recommend, if you haven't done so yet, link your Facebook group to your business page. This way, Facebook pages will have features for their Facebook groups that if you're running your Facebook group only from your personal profile, you will not get them. So the combination of having Facebook page, business page that is linked inside your Facebook group, and you can post inside as a business or from your personal profile, both ways. But you want to make sure that once those features are actually rolled out, you want to have them and you want to try if that is something that will help you and your community. And last but not least, if you are sending people from your Facebook group outside Facebook, you have links outside Facebook to your website, to other social media, there is something called click gap signal. What that is, Facebook actually measures how many clicks and what traffic you are sending to that place. If there is way too much traffic from this Facebook group into that place, more than from other places on internet, let's say you have a blog post and you are directly sending them from your Facebook group where you have really good, large, engaged community, and a lot of people do come to that blog post just from this traffic source, and there's not much traffic from other places, you will definitely get lower reach. And it can affect the whole algorithm, organic reach, and even your other activities on Facebook. So as an admin, again, so make sure that you are very careful regarding links outside the Facebook. So these were 10 things you definitely need to know about right now regarding Facebook groups. And if you want to learn more how to build your online business, how to hit your online breakthrough, the latest tips, check out my free coaching community. Don't forget that you don't own Facebook, you don't own your Facebook group. Anything can happen. You can lose access or you can get shut down. You never know how long you can have that community running. So make sure that you do have contacts from those people. You are actually sending them to something that you do own. You have their phones, you have their emails, send them to your website. You want to be in touch with that community in a way that you do own. How that is done, I also teach on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button to get notified when new videos are out. And also I teach that inside the community, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon.